Good evening, folks. This is Diamond from the Oppenheimer Ranch Project on Thursday, October 5th at 10:37 p.m. Mountain Time, giving you a space weather update and as it relates to Earth weather. You can see here the solar wind has recently increased, and if we go over here to spaceweather.com, spaceweathernews.com, it says that solar activity has intensified, but only slightly. And now if you come down here in the last 24 hours, we can see there has been some flares in the B range up to C. And with this kick up in solar wind speed here, there's no density decrease. So this coronal hole stream we were waiting for, the southern coronal hole stream here, has all but missed us. But there is some effects currently coming in here. We have an increase in speed, and the magnetogram is responding. So we are getting some effects of that solar wind stream from the coronal hole in the south, and we are currently in, right here you can see radiation storm level 1. So we'll keep an eye on that. Why is this important and how does it relate to Earth weather? Here's a close-up on that X-flare activity. These are the flares coming, X-ray flux in the B range. Here we go up to C1. If we come over to the projections here, October 7th could be KP of 4. I think that might be a little higher because now they have this C flare here on the ISWA, and you could see this wave of energy we're going to be going through here on the 8th. And go to WSA Enlil, it's showing a peak on the 7th here, where we actually enter here into plasma density on the 7th, and that's going to cause geomagnetic storm. And then again here in this wave again on the 10th. Now, why is that important? Well, that is important because on the 7th we have a Cat 2 hurricane off the coast of Louisiana here that may intensify because of this geomagnetic activity. Now, luckily, what they're calling disturbance number 1 here and tropical storm Nate, if we run it from current, you're going to see the disturbance 1 actually shearing Nate, which is a good thing. So as Nate comes across the Yucatan peninsula here and probably wreaks havoc on all these $1 million exclusive resorts in Cancun, only slightly, it's probably going to come through here as a tropical storm. And then when it gets into the Gulf of Mexico, because of the shearing here of this disturbance, it's going to have a lot less chance to intensify here. But you can see it's going to organize here midday Saturday. This is very fast moving, folks. And then that has a more organized tight spiral here by midday Saturday. And then this is when the geomagnetic activity is projected to come in. Right here. We're going to see a plasma density increase midday Saturday as we enter this wave here. And then 2 days, and that's really what we're worried about here. This increasing the intensity of this storm on Saturday. And currently it's coming in here. If I can pinpoint that landfall according to the model, look at it right here on the tip, which is going to put New Orleans right in the brunt of all that heavy onshore wind, storm surge, flooding, etc. So, our prayers go out to New Orleans. Let's hope that this geomagnetic activity is minimal, and we'll keep an eye on this storm moving forward, guys. Thanks for watching. Be safe.